what we found was this harmonic balancer. Well, we also found a coolant leak.
On a BMW? A coolant leak? I'm shocked.
Color me blue. The coolant leak was coming from the alternator bracket.
Alternator bracket coolant leak. Got to take a lot of stuff apart?
Yes, we did. So on coolant passages, coolant jackets, what happens is the gasket over time, heat cycling, that's the leak on the backside. On top, you have the alternator, you have the thermostat, and then the AC compressor all in one.
Seems like a good place to put it all.
And then the water pump on the side.
So the water pump is leaking or the bracket itself?
The bracket itself.
Look at that. That's crazy.
You really don't want to run the risk of reusing it only because all the builds up.
Well, it's probably warped. And this car just came in because his pulley was, well, the customer said it was clanking. Initially, it came from another shop that thought it had a bad timing chain. And I was like, well, hold on a second, because the timing chain's not on the front of the motor per se. And then we found this thing and pulley was crashing into the front cover. That's how we got here. On the road to recovery now. Nice job, homie. Thanks.